Hey everyone, I built an AI assistant. Let me show you. Here you can see we are getting call right now. Let's accept it.
You can remove this message at any time by up. Hello, I'm Maya from City Health Clinic. I can help you book an appointment. How can I help you today?
I want to book an appointment.
Need an appointment? Which doctor?
Dr. Sarah Johnson.
What day works for your appointment with Dr. Johnson?
Tomorrow,
What time tomorrow works for you?
10 a.m.
Full name? First and last.
John Smith.
I see you're calling from 1-660-243-3560. Should I use this number for your appointment?
Yes.
Perfect. Let me confirm. Appointment with Dr. Sarah Johnson on Sunday, February 8th at 9 a.m. for John Smith. Phone 1-660-243-3560. Is this correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Your appointment is confirmed. Booking ID, your confirmation number. See you on Sunday, February 8th at 9 a.m. Have a great day. Thank you for calling City Health Clinic. Goodbye.
That's it.